Okay, I'd just like to inform to all of you that after the successful hosting of 134th edition of Durand Cup, AFC qualifier and international friendly which held in the past months, now once again we are being given the opportunity to host the Tri-Nation Tournament of Senior Women that will be held here in Shillong in our JN Stadium on 21st of October between India and Iran. 24th October, Iran versus Nepal, and 27th October 2025 between India and Nepal. So these are the three international tri-nation match will be held here in Shillong. So that's I would like to inform to you all. And the Indian team will arrive on 17 October. Iran team will arrive on 19 October and Nepal team will arrive on 22nd October. So this is what I would like to inform to you all.